Carell used a handwritten note in lieu of fancy graphics. Steve and Nancy Carell made a surprise appearance. He shared the love by shouting out other good news sites and their videos. He shared fans' uplifting tweets. He gave shout-outs to his celebrity friends. Ryan Reynolds and Chris Pratt have also taken to social media to share inspiring videos supporting the healthcare community. It's like Weekend Update with good news. It's like Weekend Update, but with good news. His children are the set designers. John Krasinski said that the SGN logo, which also serves as the backdrop, was made by his kids. Krasinski shares daughters Hazel, born in 2014, and Violet, born in 2016, with wife Emily Blunt. It's very DIY. It's very DIY. It all started with a tweet. On March 25, 2020, John Krasinski tweeted, asking for any good stories that made fans smile throughout the week. Little did they know he planned on turning that into some good news. Meet John Krasinski. He stars as the titular character in Amazon TV series Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan and wrote, directed, executive produced, and starred in A Quiet Place Part Roman 2. However, he is probably most known for playing Jim Halpert on NBC The Office. SGN is the answer to a question Krasinski says he's been wondering for years, which is, why is there not a news show dedicated entirely to good news?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.